Alrighty, so let's talk a little bit about division and multiplication vocabulary words. So let's start off with division. We've got dividend, divisor, and quotient. What silly words, huh? And they all kind of start with the div, div. So we can always remember that dividend, divisor belong to division equations. Quotient, doesn't really have the div in it, but let's try and remember quotient is for division word problems, division equations. Okay, let's look at this with some actual numbers, huh? All right. So here we've got 21 divided by 7 equals 3. Think about it this way. Your total, your bigger number, is always going to be the dividend. Look how big Miss Castro made the word dividend. Big, right? The word dividend, your bigger word, is always going to go with the number 21. Divisor, a smaller number. It's smaller than your dividend. Divisor, it's a smaller word. It's going to go with the 7. Remember, dividend with your total number of items, your biggest number. Divisor is always going to be the groups you're going to divide your items into. Last but not least, quotient is the answer to a division equation. Okay, so go ahead and give it a shot. Say it out loud as I ask you the question. 48 is going to match with which word? You got it, dividend. 6 is going to match with which word? Remember, it's smaller than your dividend, smaller than your total items. Divisor, you got it. And the 8, your answer to your division equation, is going to be the quotient. Nice job. Let's check our work. Dividend, divisor, quotient. Nice job. All right. You go take out a paper and a pencil and give it a shot. Write 49 divided by 7 equals 7. And go ahead and draw arrows matching and writing each of the vocabulary words to the correct number. Pause your video right now so you can give this a try. Let's move on to multiplication vocabulary words. 2 special words for us to know: factor and product. Go ahead and say them with me. Factor, product. All right, let's look at that with some equations. Okay, so here we have 4 times 7 equals 28. So look at it this way. Your groups, which is the 4, and your items in each group are both going to be factors. Let me say that again. Your groups and your items in each group are going to be your factors. The answer of your total number of items is always going to be the product. Let's take a look at another example. Go ahead and tell me, what is your groups and your numbers in each group going to represent which words? You got it, factor and factor. And the total amount in all is going to be what? The product. You got it. Let's check our work. All right, go ahead and do me a quick favor. Take out your pencil and your paper and practice this on your own now. The 2 numbers, your groups, items in each group, your total amount. Now, I gave you a little trick here because I only wrote one of these words once. You check to see which one you have to write again. Play the video again. Fast forward if you need any help to any of these division or multiplication problems. When you're done with this, go into Classroom under the Math Classroom and try it on your own. It's called Multiplication and Division Vocabulary Classwork. Make sure you turn it in. Leave Miss Castro a comment if you don't understand anything.